Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to more NFT education, where we take NFT projects and we try to learn more about them. All right. And so the project that we got today is called GoldMand. All right. And what it is explore deep space with our game. Right. This is a play to earn game. And y'all know me, bro. Play to earn games is my thing when it comes to NFTs, bro. Like, I feel like that outside of the ones where, you know what I'm saying, the value just quickly magically goes up for, you know, whatever reason, and not magically, but suddenly goes up, I should say, then play to earn is the next best thing that anybody could try to get in and make some money on, I think. So about us, we are a young team of 7 people with extensive experience in browser games. Okay, that's important. Remember, what do I always tell y'all? Projects that have proven teams, whether it's development teams, proven teams is always where you want to go, because a lot of the times people make NFT projects and they have all these crazy promises and, oh, we're going to make a game, but have you ever made a game, right? So they have experience in browser games, right? Part of the team has gained experience in working for large companies where they have held responsible positions in game development. Right now, also, when you become a part of this community, you can for sure go check these people and make sure that they're like who they say they are, for sure. And you can do that before purchasing an NFT. So it doesn't do them any good to lie about this on their website. So I believe them. And the rest of the team has developed in the field of design and digital marketing. Our senior developer has been working in the field of browser games since '04. That's when I was 14 years old. The creative director has over 10 years of experience in the design field, working with one of the biggest, well, he's got more than 10, working with one of the biggest brands in the world. GoldMand's team, long-term interest, experience, and knowledge of games in their development, combined with our interest in cryptocurrencies, has created our common goal, namely the creation of play to earn games. All right, so that's something once again I believe in. All right, so the game, I'm just gonna briefly go over this because this is a lot. All right, the year is 2079. The result of excessive exploitation of the earth has had its say. Natural disasters have destroyed 90% of humanity, as well as any animal and plant species. Wow. At this difficult time, salvation for humanity and life on planet Earth is saved by a super intelligent alien species, the creators. People receive special technology that allows them to survive. Special bionic costumes. The surprise for them is the price they have to pay to live. Wow. They have to produce food to exchange for their vital minerals and energy for the costumes, resources that are not available for their planet. All right. Now, once again, this is pretty long, but what they have is a full story about how all this came about. That's another good sign for me, when they don't have a lot of information, when they don't, tell you much about the background or why any of this is happening, then that's sometimes a red flag. All right. They also have a white paper, and y'all know what I say about white papers. Honestly, most white papers are just a PDF. So the fact that their white paper is like an actual, like, if you have any experience in development or anything like this, then this looks like the knowledge base. Like when you download a theme or whatever, like this is how it looks. So that's a plus. This tells me these guys are really developers, right? So that's a good sign. Our cards. The first card collection to find the most suitable cards for your successful game. First and foremost, it is important to choose which race you want to play with. Then your choice should be on which ground you will dig. The third type of cards to choose from are the items that will help you in the challenges of the game. All right. Now, characters: Sivars, Banteria, Depth Extractor. All right. Now, the roadmap. This is the most important part. Phase 1, website launch, pre-alpha DApp game, Telegram members 3,000 registered testers, user rewards program, Wax Bridge to Binance Smart Chain, Pancake Swap, and Atomy Chub drops. All right. Now, phase 2, social media marketing, beta DApp game, new features of game, new exchanges of partnership, 50,000 registered players, Atomic Hub drops, CMC CoinGecko listings. All right. So what this tells me is that they plan on this thing growing pretty fast, and I don't see why not. Simply because, once again, they have the actual experience to make a play to earn game. So I think all the play to earn games that are actually going to become play to earn games are going to be successful because, you know, right now we don't really have those. You know, you got to go to the casino to play a play to earn game. So in the form of NFT and cryptocurrency, like that's pretty dope. So phase 3, new planets, new races, new inventory items, new mechanics, fractions, and attack other players. Oh wow, 100,000 registered players, atomic hub drops on marketplace. And then phase 4, new resources, achievements, resource market, big atomic hub drops. And then boom, phase 5, multiplayer alpha, multiplayer alpha, multiplayer alpha. And then phase 6 will be described in phase 3. All right, so what is GoldMand? GoldMand, it's a play to earn game in which you can win crypto while playing. That's enough for me to be in. You can choose between 3 races. With them, you mine resources, which you can trade with other players. How do you buy it? You must have a Wax wallet. There's a full article on how to get that. And yeah, you can get in touch with their team. Let's do our signature Twitter check. Okay, they got 13K in there, so they're active in that community. These are, let's see if these are real accounts. Real accounts. Okay. Okay, I see some real accounts. Okay, so that's pretty promising. All right, so ultimately, man, let me know what y'all think about this in the comments. I think this is something that we definitely should at least keep an eye on because once again, play to earn is the way to go in my opinion. So, man, I love y'all. Let's get it.